Right, guys, at the Lincoln Central level crossing in Lincoln with Joe, Andrew, Callow 5. Don't flip it.
I'm not.
There we go. The time is 14:19 on Thursday, the 30th of July 2015. This is for 14:23. Chillingham 69 minutes train service from Leicester.
Why not?
If I'm here, I just say from Leicester.
Wow. If you're brave, of course, you'd say to Lincoln. Only work it out properly then. Oh, this should be South West trains.
Yeah, could be. How do you know? Because we've been at your house for a while.
Well, let me. No, that'll be at 4.
It went to Leicester at 8:35.
Yeah, that'll be 8, 12, and 4.
Who's put us? What's this on the barrier now?
Plates.
Plates.
Plate records from 1983.
Who keeps doing this? The barrier doesn't actually need all this crap on it. Do they?
No, I don't need those barriers of crap stickers either. I got rid of all of them, I think. There's still marks of one on Brave, but that's about it.
That is 2 sticks across that. Right, that is. If it's dry, it'll probably be a little easier. You check it.
Well, whenever it's wet, it takes forever to peel off.
Start trying to pull a barrier off the floor.
Start trying to pull a bone out of the pig.
That's easy for you. You butcher's dog.
40 miles an hour out of here.
Actually, we might have time to run Brave if you want to do it like that.
We're going to do get the 14:25 here first.
Let's go out of Brave. We've got a little bit of time. We've got about
Here
2
she
minutes.
is. We've got 156, 415.
Yeah, 2 goes 1, 5.
From Leicester.
And
Up they go.
There you go.
That barrier sounds funny.
That was a car.
No, that.
You.
Congratulations, next video.
Shit. Shit, mister.
Alright guys, here we are. Great Northern Terrace level crossing in Lincoln. We'll join Andrew. There we go. Time is 10:16 on Saturday, the 13th of June, 2015. This is for
Our 1018 2 kilo 17 East Midlands train service from Lincoln
Central to Peterborough. 4G.
6F.
What?
6F.
What's the next train after that? 10.
1 sec.
10.
Next we're off at thing, ain't we?
Well, should we get one on that side first and go?
You've been here 2 times.
I know that I missed the amber light on one close.
Tough. Nothing after this till 11 o'clock, which is my HST.
We'll go meet the woman in Tesco's first. Andrew.
If I can. See how low it goes though?
Yeah. See how bang it is, look.
You seen yourself?
It's pretty tight. Playing the guitar.
No, just doing the spike. Still got red.
Why?
Still got red.
Silly train. Train ready to start still, right?
Point that way. Woman. Should we watch the signal set? Looking where the TLTS is written, that red writing.
Yeah. Yep.
And this is 4. Why are these floodlights on, seriously?
I don't know. Whether it's not dark enough for destination.
At 20 past 10 in the morning, the floodlights are on. Don't be stupid. It's not raining as such. I've got some decent shots there with the amber light. Even this settle quicker. This takes about a minute and a half to settle. Ugh. I'm only on 30%. I've been leading all day. Still in. 10:18, just left. It's
Here
now
she
coming
is.
across to there.
Okay.
And we should have 156,401 to Peterborough.
Death of a pigeon.
Joe Thorpe
156401.
to Peterborough.
156401 to Peterborough, and up they go. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Blankney Station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time is 17:32 on Saturday the 18th of July 2015. This is for hour 17:36, 2 Kilo 6 East Midlands train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central. Here she is. And I got my phone in the barrier for another barrier shot of Blankney Station crossing. One 53310. One 53310 to Lincoln, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Scottlethorpe level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Callow 5. There we go. Now the time is 10:31 on Saturday the 1st of August 2015. This is for our 10:28, 2 Kilo 32 East Midlands train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central. Oh, you got it.
Expected arrival 27.
Crossing banks here as well.
Yeah. Expect to arrive 27, so she's 1 minute early.
Did you notice a few broken LEDs in that amber light?
Yeah, one or two were broken.
Pardon?
One or two were broken.
3 or 4 actually.
think this may be our 156 Ralston that I got earlier.
Yeah. Oh, there's a wasp right next to you. Wasp. In the bush.
Yeah.
If it comes anywhere near me.
Don't annoy him. You're fine. Yeah, but
I think I can hear it.
Lincoln Peterborough should be a 156 because I have not seen her go off anywhere else yet. I think she went into 2.
Go into the barrier. Right, it's gone now. They don't film it, but they don't like being filmed, it might sting us.
There she is.
Yeah.
We've got.
Oh God! 156408! 156408 to Lincoln. And
Oh, is that Peterborough?
no,
That is Peterborough.
we're staying.
Staying.
Damn.
Oh well, I'll get rested another time.
We're not for a long time. We should have gone straight to Ralston, shouldn't we?
Oh well. I do browse, got point. Okay, that was for our 2 kilo 17.
Yeah, 10:38, 2 kilos 17 into the train service from Lincoln to Peterborough.
Expected 1 minute early. Both of them are. Good damn nuisance. Oh well. I've got a couple of next years to go Ralston. Now we can go straight to Peterborough without having to hassle.
Yeah. Do you want to go have a look at Ralston anyway?
Yeah. And then we'll head off.
You can get an intro there if you want.
Maybe, maybe not.
Right. It's just reported it's left Ralston now. This next one.
Phone. There we go. Is her? Here she is.
Yep. Here she is. We've got 153385. 153385 to 153326 to Lincoln and up they go. Subscribe to the next video. Hi guys, so we're at Ralston Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe, Shen and Andrew.
What he said.
Oof. There we go, time is 15:52.
Yeah, we just wait up on your 1552.
Yeah, 15:52,
GBRF service
457
from,
Mike. GBRF service from Felixstowe to Doncaster, and the time is 15:52 on Tuesday the 20. No, oh yeah. Hang on a minute. Why is it? I think that I need to go back onto RTT again.
You did that, Joe.
Oh, wait, this is for Zulu 33, isn't it?
Still wobbling. Hello there.
Now stay still. Oh, that'll do.
Let's go a bit. Let's go stand in my favourite spot for the freight train to come. Yeah, for you two, but. Pardon? Yes. You can hear the trap vibrating for miles. You're going to come and stand over here so you can see the train coming approach. Right, here we go. Listen. Scott Wick.
Since the day before that signal, they'll be going. The Scots. There we go, there, Joe.
Yeah. Right, here she is. The weights are a bit dropped. Yeah, it is.
Joe, that light's bent over there.
Which one?
This side.
Let me see what unit it is, because I can see
It's bent towards me. I don't like it. So I'm going to do like a mini filter tape.
Where are you going to?
Here, get shot with them through the bushes.
You can see the entire intermodal.
I know. 66 731. hand. Up they go. Yes. For once. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Sleaford North level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe, Andrew and Adam. Oh, that's quite a bit different. There you go, now that's it.
Oh, you barrier. Shut up. Down finally after a year.
That's a bit quieter and a bit lower pitched.
How can you get over here?
Oh, that's a slow one. There we go, time is 10:22 on Saturday, the 7th of February, the 7th of March 2015. This is for Andrew.
Look at that.
But these lights aren't in sync, Adam, look. Adam, look at the lights, they're not in sync.
Yeah, no. That's a bit like this.
Yeah, Lincoln Central lights don't, one of them multi-flash, one of them single flashes. Actually, 2 of the lights at Lincoln Central multi-flash and 3 of them single flash. But these don't start off properly. Andrew, you got it yet? Signal's on red.
I like this. I like how
Let's see if this help. This is a stiffer one. Yeah, that's stiff. That's pretty stiff. Oh, that one looks pretty high off the ground. Look.
Yeah, look at how.
I remember when these used to touch each other. Let's see how this is a stiffy as well. That's a stiffy as well. Here she is. Here she is, Adam.
I can't see it because of the stupid big barrier machines that they have.
Look at the way those shades just hang over the amber light. Isn't it awesome?
I've given you info, you're not receiving it. Excellent.
Here she is. Look, we got. I'll get it here. $43,307. Virgin. $43,274 with no Virgin on the back of that one, and up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here at Sleaford West level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. This gate's about to go any sec. Here it comes.
Oh no, they stopped for Joe.
There we go. Now the time is 13:50 on Thursday, the 2nd of April 2015. This is for our 1353 2017 has been the train service from Nottingham to Skegness.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Put through the announcement, Luke. What? Put through the announcement, Brett. What is it? From 1:30 55 Skegness, calling at Eckington, Boston, Wayne Fleet, Skegness. Okay. Where's it calling it? Eckington, Boston, Wayne Fleet, and Skegness. Section 2 Boston, Wayne Fleet, and Skegness? Yes. Okay. Remember this service is going on time pump at the top. Will be the 35 service to Nottingham. This service is currently on time. That's Skeg. Morning, Mr. Newton. Boston, Wayne Fleet, Skegness. Nottingham? Why Nottingham for Skegness? What? What? Oh, here it comes. What is it?
Here she is.
4158. Try and catch the number before Joe. It's gone past now, can't see it. 810, I guess.
158770. Yes, and?
And 21.
There they go. There they go.
He just said up they go.
No, I did not.
Right, thanks guys, in this video.
Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, so we are at Sleaford East Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. There we go, now the time is 12:41 on Thursday, the 20, what is it today? Thursday the 2nd of April 2015. This is for our 12:42, 2 kilo 29 business trade service from Lincoln Scottlethorpe Peterborough, and as you can finally see, this crossing has had an upgrade. Yes. A little bit. They've got 2 brand new alarms and 2 old ones. But this crossing has finally had an upgrade after all that waiting. They've got the shades are all the same size this time. And there's one of the lights is proper tilted over there. Here we go, we've got 153,357.
Already leaving, bloody hell.
153,357 to Peterborough, and up they go.
I suppose it's time for.
Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.